Alright, off we go. Test out the Cardo mic system with the GoPro. Testing out the new suspension. Testing out the new levers. I've got all kinds of new fun things to test out. Beautiful road.
Hello, Adventure Rider, DMC, intercom, mode.
Cool things about Florida, that was an old trail right there, is that, yeah, there's a lot of pavements, but in the middle part of the state and as you head north, fun little roads. Bypass sections that I like. Might turn around on some of them. So I'm running in Enduro Pro mode on the El Ducati. It dumbs down the power a little bit, because you really just don't need a crazy amount of power when this bike's at like 118. It is. Definitely feeling a difference in suspension, and it's just there's these little bumps on the road here. Bridge. Bet when that's a little slick in the morning, you're gonna fall on your ass getting that wrong. Alright, so we got a fork up in the road up here for the GPS. These are some routes I've ran years ago. And yeah, I figured what better way to come out and test some stuff than some trails and try running it again. Alright, this is looking pretty sugar sandy. So here we go. When the levers are really gonna be tested here. Oh yeah, she's soft. That is some soft sand. Doggy. Woo, woo, woo. Holy crap. Ah, the back end's popping up a little bit, so I gotta do some adjustments. I want to be able to just sail right over this stuff, kick up the front end, and let the rear settle in nicely. One thing about Florida mud, you never ever want to just go right into it, because it could be 2 feet, 3 feet deep, and looking at it from the top, you might think it's hard packed, and it's not, and you'll sink like a rock. I know this because it happened to me on my little Honda 250, and it took hours to get it out, and it sucked bad. But here's a little mud puddle here. We're gonna go off to the left because you can see the right's real soft. I don't know if it's hunting season or what, but it's the middle part of the day, and I think that we can all agree that when you hunt, it's early morning or evening time, so I should be safe. Woo! Almost washed out the front end. All right, this is looking like, damn, there's a rock right there. Off to the left of that, I just used those levers to maneuver the clutch into first and second gear while still having control over the handlebars. That was nice. No more thumbing it to just hold on and actually have better support the bike, which is fantastic. Oh, almost. I really hope my audio is working because that is going to be funny to watch later. Probably be my first YouTube post in, oh geez, I don't know, a while. All right, decision time. We're going to go to the right. Look at that. Left. Again, using the nice clutch levers to run in a more aggressive rear and probably a 60-40 front. So I'm tracking, but I'm not tracking as well as I could be on the front end. That's 60 street. All right, let's look at the L map here. You know what? This would be a good little spot. Well, we're going to park it over here for a minute. Tires that I've got. But yeah, I'm still running on course. Yeah, so let's see, what do I got here? I'm running the Karoo 4s. These are for Metzler, but they're good combo tires for road and off-road. Not the greatest for the sand here, but you know, as you can see, I'm making through just fine. Now the rears, I love. These are an amazing all-rounder so far that I've seen. These are the Enduro Trail XTs. Yeah, they're a little vibey on the highway. They stick on the road, and they track along. They've been able to push through the soft stuff. They've been able to push through the harder stuff, and I'm really enjoying it. So I'm going to take a little break and then get back at it. Right, I'm back. We're going to hit it up. I really just had to take a leak, so I saw that tree over there and said, that's the one. Let's get back to it. Oh, Mappy. Mappy tappy. Mappy tappy. Yeah, I definitely got to adjust the rear suspension some. It should not be bucking me like it is. There's a rock right there. And a rock right there. Woo. I know what you're thinking. Ride right, blah, blah, blah. Well, this is the track I'm on. It is what it is, guys. Hope for the best. There's a lot of rocks poking out of the ground. I'm surprised. Somebody's been back here on a dirt bike. Here's the sneaky ones when they got the leaves over top of them. Very misleading if it's going to be good ground or not. You see those mud sections coming up. So I'm not the best at it, but when I'm getting these little corners, I'm trying to kick the ass around a little bit to help steer me in the direction I want. Ooh, that's going to be soft. Yep. Oh, here. Using the levers. Oh, beautiful. Fucking fantastic. That was like textbook with those levers right there. That was so nice. Felt so good. All the control in the world. But yeah, as I was saying, kind of just trying to slide the ass around a little bit to get me to where I need to be. Go to the left, looks good. But I'm not the best at it. I have a little bit of traction control set up on this in enduro mode, but I think it's at like the second to the lowest setting. So it'll catch me from whipping that tail around and falling on my ass. Hopefully. From what I've seen so far, it works. Ooh, there's a tree. And it's down. Should we wrap it? Nah. Video would be how to total a $30,000 Ducati. All right, maps tell me to go to the right. So we're going to go to the right. Woo! Missed a gear. How you know you're getting old and out of shape is when you've been on the trail only 15 minutes, back hurts. That happens when you're close to 40 now, trying to do what you were doing when you're in your 20s. All right, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Yeah. Uh, sure, we'll go this way. Ooh, this is a good little mud pit. We're gonna go to the right of it. See that center? Look at that. Good mud pie. That's a Florida mud pie if I've ever seen one. Yay, yay. Yeah, get back to these tires. That rear tire just locks up really, really well. Oh my gosh, it's great. All right, we're at a crossroads. GPS is slightly off, but it is showing to go el lefto. How does right look? I wonder what's right. Mm-hmm. Yeah, we'll go left. supposed to be another trail somewhere right here, and that'll determine if we're actually going to go this way. This be it. There's a fresh burn back here. I still smell it. They saw California burnt down. They said, that ain't happening in Florida. Our fire hydrants work, and we pay our people. Softy, softy. Ooh, it's like talcum powder right there. Love it when that back end just swings around just a little bit. Can't wait to get home and do a little bit of fine tuning on that suspension. What do you think, guys? If the back end is kicking up like a pogo stick, do I need to go soft in the back for the rebound or dampen it? I don't know. Let me know. Leave your suggestions in the comments for that one. Normally, I pay professionals to do that, and I thought that's what I was doing when I sent it off. But if you've been following my Instagram, you know that was a big debacle. Ooh, don't want to hit that. That's a bad one. Who is left? Again, that was just using those levers. Easy to control. Nice. All right. Well, I think that was a good little run on the bike here. I'm gonna find me some barbecue and take some more back roads coming back. Wow, I almost fell right there. Saw that, guys? It got really soft right there. All right. Well, hey, I hope you enjoyed it. This is my first time doing a YouTube in like a year, 2 years, 4 years. So hit that like, hit that subscribe button. If you want me to keep doing this, let me know. I'm happy that Cardo finally got things resolved with GoPro to be able to do this moto vlogging thing. Back when I first started, we had wires coming out everywhere. It just sucked, so I kind of gave up on it. But I'm hoping that this would be a good thing and inspire me and others to get out there and keep adventuring. So, guys, ride safe, and I'll see you out there.